Brilliant. So recently when I was making a video, I wanted an overhead shot. So I tried to set up a tripod with the camera and the lighting. It was a bit of a nightmare, and generally the whole video was a bit of a disaster, and you can see it here. I then thought, how can I get an overhead shot without spending a fortune? Most of these setups are a lot of money. So anyway, I came up with the idea of using this guy, an old Ikea lamp. What I thought was, if I can get a camera on that, it comes with its own lighting as well. It's a perfect solution. This video just shows the journey of getting this to work. So as well as using this lamp, I've got lots of old tripods, and basically I've just scavenged the parts of the old tripods to make this work. I think it's a good idea, and it does both the camera and the lighting for me, so I'm happy with it. I can use this part here. This bit here actually is quite well made. It's solid metal and it's got a good range of movement, and it can go 90 degrees, which is ideal. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to put that on there, and what I'll try and do is get that out. There's a line there, so I'm just going to put the screwdriver in and try and force that open. There we go. There we have it. So now we need to fit this into the lamp. Need to fit this. So I need a drill bit. Cut that. It looks about 6mm or something. I'm going to start with a small drill and work my way up, because this is made of metal. Then this comes off, but before you take it off, you want to mark it up. Okay. So just a wee mark. I can take this off. It's just a twist and it comes out. There's a ridge in there. You don't want to drill near the ridge, so you want to take it 15mm away from the edge there. Yep, that should be perfect. So you can see it's got to be like that. Now this is going to be tricky because it's rounded and there's not much to hang on to with a 2mm. Sit through it, 6mm. Now put this on, the actual, that is it, solid. The moment of truth. Can you see that? You see it there. Phone in, there. Boom. It's pretty clear. It's holding pretty well. Actually, I'm quite surprised. I can even zoom in, get a 2x zoom on. So it's zoomed in. So it works pretty good. Yeah, I can zoom out and zoom out again. So I'm just going to quickly try my small camera and see if it'll hold that. This is my small camera, Canon G7. That's it. It's holding that wee camera, no problem. That's my camera on board. It's actually pretty good. No light. With light. Excellent. Don't forget to tighten up all the screws. There's quite a few screws on this. Make sure they're all tightened up really tight, and it should stabilise everything. This actually will take up to about 400 grams. That is a total weight for everything, including the fittings. So you need to add it all up and see if it's under 400 grams. Most phones are going to be well within that. That's a Pixel 6 Pro, so they're not light. They're pretty heavy. At the 400 gram mark, you can feel it's beginning to struggle to hold, so if your camera is more than 400 grams, it's not going to work. And the good thing about this is, because it's on a clamp, I can put this onto any table, any desk that I want, and have this set up anywhere really, and it comes with its own light. Hope it helps, and if it does, you can check out some of my other videos.